Welcome to Consumer Reports. The best bracelet making kits is probably one of the most fun and rewarding crafts you can get into. These kits offer a fantastic way to dive into the world of jewelry making, whether you're a complete beginner or have some experience. They come with everything you need: beads, string, clasps, and sometimes even tools, to create beautiful, personalized bracelets. Join me as we explore some of the top kits available, perfect for unleashing your inner designer and crafting unique accessories. Number 5. Gionlion 6000 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This kit is a must-have for any jewelry making enthusiast. It includes everything you need to create beautiful bracelets and more. It has a variety of colorful beads and charms. With 24 bright colors, you can mix and match to create unique designs. You can make bracelets, necklaces, and earrings with this kit. Your imagination is the only limit. The beads are made of durable polymer clay. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear. You can wear them at the beach or pool without worry. Perfect for DIY crafts like jewelry making, bracelets, and keychains. It's an ideal gift for anyone who loves crafts. It's a meaningful gift for any occasion. Surprise your girls with this trendy kit. It enhances their crafting skills and encourages self-expression. It's a great way to share fun with friends. We strictly control the quality of the beads. You can be sure that you will receive beads without defects. We appreciate all bracelet making crafts enthusiasts. What we like. This kit offers a wide array of vibrant colors, perfect for unleashing your creativity. It includes everything you need, making it ideal for beginners. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit to get started right away, this is the one. It's great for making friendship bracelets or other jewelry. What people say. With 24 different colors of flat preppy beads, the possibilities for creating unique and personalized friendship bracelets seemed endless. The kit also provides durable elastic strings that are simple to knot, ensuring that the bracelets can withstand daily wear and tear without falling apart. The storage box features individual compartments for each color and type of bead, which not only keeps everything neatly arranged but also makes it easy to find the exact components needed for a specific design. Number 4. Redtwo 5100 Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This amazing kit includes everything you need to create beautiful bracelets and jewelry. It comes with thousands of colorful clay beads and charms. It's perfect for sparking imagination. Inside, you'll find flat polymer clay beads, letter beads, number beads, and more. There are stretchy strings, scissors, and tweezers. This complete kit meets all your jewelry making needs. The clay beads are made from soft, eco-friendly polymer clay. They are safe for everyday wear and won't fade quickly. This kit is designed to be safe and fun for kids aged 6 and up. Parents can join their children in designing bracelets, necklaces, and other crafts. It's a great way to spend quality time together. It's a much better use of time than staring at a phone. This kit makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, and other special events. You can create unique friendship bracelets to give to friends. Who wouldn't love a fun bracelet? We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues with the beads, please contact us. We promise to provide a solution within 24 hours. Thank you for supporting our brand. What we like. The beads are made from safe, eco-friendly materials, ensuring peace of mind. It's a complete kit with all the essentials. If you have kids who love crafting and want a safe and fun activity, this kit is perfect. It encourages creativity and provides hours of entertainment. What people say. They also come with extra charms too and a few tools to use like scissors, string, and a holder to help put the beads on. With a huge variety of colorful clay beads, charms, and accessories, this kit offers endless possibilities for making bracelets, necklaces, and keychains. The beads are lightweight, durable, and smooth, making them comfortable to wear. Number 3. Redtwo Friendship Bracelet Kit for Girls. Are you ready to create friendship bracelets? This kit is inspired by the Eras Tour. It's perfect for making and trading bracelets with friends, showing love and friendship. This set includes everything you need. It has colorful clay beads, letter beads, and other charms. You'll also find tools like tweezers and scissors to help you get started. The clay beads are made of safe, high-quality polymer clay. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions. It's designed to be easy for beginners. This kit lets you express yourself. You can make bracelets, earrings, rings, and more. It's a great gift for anyone who loves crafts. Keep kids and teens entertained for hours. This kit is ideal for crafting alone or with friends. It's a wonderful gift for birthdays and holidays. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any issues with this product, please contact us. We promise to provide a solution within 24 hours. What we like. This kit is inspired by the Eras Tour, perfect for Swifties. It includes a huge variety of beads and colors. If you are a fan of Taylor Swift or want to make friendship bracelets with a special theme, this kit is the perfect choice. It's a fun way to express your love for music and friendship. What people say. The variety of beads, charms, and strings included offers endless creative possibilities. The instructions are clear, making it easy for beginners to get started, yet it's versatile enough for more advanced designs. The quality of the materials is impressive, and everything comes neatly organized in a sturdy box. Number 2. QUEFE 10800 PCS Clay Beads Bracelet Making Kit. This kit is perfect for unleashing your creativity. It comes with everything you need to make beautiful bracelets and jewelry. With 108 vibrant colors, the possibilities are endless. You can create unique designs and express your personal style. This kit is designed for girls aged 8 to 12. It's a fun and engaging activity that they will absolutely love. The kit includes letter beads, allowing you to personalize your creations. It's great for making friendship bracelets or adding special messages. If you're into preppy styles, this kit is a must-have. It's perfect for creating trendy and fashionable accessories. Looking for a great gift? Look no further. This kit is a fantastic present for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. With 108 colors, this kit offers endless design possibilities. It includes letter beads for personalization. If you're looking for a kit with a vast color selection and the ability to create custom messages, this is the one. It's perfect for making unique gifts or personalized jewelry. What people say. Excellent bead set. My daughter loves them. This set has a lot of color match options for bracelets or keychains. Huge assortment of beads and other pieces. The alpha letters and other add-ons are what make this kit tops. I loved this set of beads. Great quality, quantity, and color options. Perfect for any craft time. Has everything you'll need in this set. I also like the organizer container they came in. Number 1. Doodle Hog Friendship Bracelet Kit. This kit is perfect for girls aged 8 to 12. It's designed to spark creativity and provide hours of fun. It's a great way to express yourself and bond with friends. Inside, you'll find 100 alphabet beads, colorful strings, and charming accents. With these, you can create unique bracelets. The possibilities are truly endless. Learn 4-knot designs, including chevron and square knot patterns. This kit makes it easy to create stylish bracelets. You'll be making professional-looking bracelets in no time. It features an XL rose gold clip and ruler for accurate crafting. This kit ensures precision and style in every bracelet. It's perfect for designing beautiful friendship bracelets. This kit is an ideal gift for tweens and teens. It's a stylish way to bond with friends. It's all about exploring creativity and style together. The kit includes a detailed guide with colorful instructions. It makes it simple to create fun designs. You'll be crafting amazing bracelets with ease. What we like. This kit teaches you how to master 4-knot designs. It comes with an easy-to-follow guide. If you like learning new skills and creating unique friendship bracelets, this kit is perfect for you. It's a great way to bond with friends and explore your creativity. What people say. He loved creating his own bracelets and showing them off to family and friends. The kit is well made, easy to use, and perfect for sparking creativity. Got this for my 8-year-old sister and she really enjoyed making different kinds of bracelets. Made it easy for her to be able to keep up with the strings. Bought for my granddaughter for Christmas and she had made 3 fast. They are wonderful bracelets for the girls to exchange. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.